Well, hello. Today I'm going to make a mallet, which is a small hammer from this lovely piece of poplar wood that's left over. I like poplar, it doesn't split much. And so we're going to cut the heads of the hammer, and I'm going to make quite a few hammers from this. So, how long do we want? Let's say 1, 2, maybe we can make 4 hammers from this. Let's start this end and get it straight. So we're making a mallet, which is something like that, and we using these as the little hammer heads. So let's see, that's exactly 17, so it'd be 8.5. 8.5. I'm just marking the middle, and so on. This is 19. 9.5. That would be the middle. 20, 10 would be the middle. Maybe we can make it from these branches. Here is another branch. So between the 3 of those, we're going to have enough wood for our handles. So I don't even have to cut it, I can use the circular saw to cut it off. Now I have a whole lot of potential handles, so I'm going to sort of cut these branches off handle length. I do like the rustic look of these mallets. I must say I do. I like the rough handle. This has only got one rough branch there that makes it feel uncomfortable, and all the rest it's just got a nice amount of roughness to grip it. So this one is now complete. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to celebrate myself as Thor, a great hammer wielder. Yay, we did something, we made something, we made a difference, and when it glues I think it's going to work nicely, and if not we'll know. But at least we've made mallets, and when we need to crush a snail, soften a piece of steak, or crush chicken bones for the compost, man, put that excess old chicken bones and meaty stuff in the compost. It makes it break down so much faster. It's like nitrogen. It just, wow, it boosts the compost and it breaks down almost immediately. So maybe you get a few flies, a few maggots, put it at the end of your garden where you don't have to worry about it. And really it doesn't, in winter for example, it doesn't, there are no flies. So, and it just, that compost breaks down in, you can measure it in weeks, not months. So fantastic to have a mallet to crush chicken bones or anything.